What's inside your school bag? Mommy, where are you go? Lucy, where are you going to now?
Escuela.
Where? School?
Ya me voy. ¿Usted va?
I think you're going with Mummy. What's that?
Lunchbox.
Your lunch box with your food inside. And your little princesses and a book.
No, ese es muy chiquitico. Ese es de pink pen.
You're going to write on that in school.
Vamos a ver si me hace.
What else have you got? Your pencils.
Yes, pencils.
There you go. Close the lid.
Papi, mira que dice Luciana.
This is Lucy.
¿Qué me tengo aquí? ¿Qué me tengo aquí?
You know.
Manzana.
Very nice. An apple. For the teacher, or is that for you? Let's put everything into your school bag, Mummy. Let's see if it all does it all fit in your school bag. Does everything fit in? Let's see. That's the inside of it, Mummy.
Es que
To the sermon. Coming apart. Get the lunchbox in. What else?
Pero primero falta estos.
Put in the book first, maybe is the easiest. Put in the book. Come on, Mommy, put it in your bag. You have to go.
¿Usted va?
No, Mommy, you have to go with Mommy. I'm going to look after Owen. He's just up. Playing with his cars.
Right, Mommy, let's go.
Es que le voy a enseñar a mi papá. ¿Usted no?
Sí.
Y esto.
And can you close your bag? Use your little keyring.
Esto no. ¿Cómo se sabe?
Sí.
What's it say in your school bag, Mommy? Princess. Your little princess.
Following your princess.
Esto
You
se
want to put it in your
quebra.
backpack?
Papi, esto se quebra.
That's your little keyring, which is an ice cream.
Sí, pero se quebra.
Se quebra.
Mire, se quebra. Suena como si se quebra, entonces hay que tener con mucho
You have to be very careful. And can you put the bag in your back? Do you know how to put it on?
¿Qué?
Do you know how to put your bag on? Put one arm in here. You want to stand up at the table? One arm there. And can you get the other one on?
So,
Hold on. I'll help you a little bit. Turn around.
puedo.
Oh, you can. Wait. There you go. You're all ready to go.
Dinero.
You all ready for school?
Dinero.
Careful on the table, Mommy. You'll fall. Here, I'll lift you down so you can get in the car.
Look at your sister.
Whoa! There you go. You're not going to carry it in your bag? You're not...
Is the money here for?
Mami está cerca. O tengo que ir al frente.
No, tienen que ir
Now you have to go in your seat, Mommy. You have to
Yo no pongo mi school bag.
next to you.
¿Ah?
put your school bag just on the floor. Or you can put it in the seat next to you.